Hello children. Now all of you take out page number 6 from book number 7 and see question number A. Arrange these sentences in the correct order. As you can see, some sentences from the story are given here. But these sentences are not arranged as per the story. So now we have to arrange these sentences as per the story. Okay? So according to the story, the first sentence will be a frog, a chick, a mouse, an ant and a ladybird went for a walk. Next, what they did? When they reached a stream, the frog said they should all swim. So it will be number 2. Number 3 will be the 4 friends told the frog that they could not swim. Number 4 will be the frog laughed at them. He jumped into the stream. Number 5 will be the 4 friends collected various items and made a boat. Number 6 will be the 4 friends happily sailed away in the boat. And the last one will be the frog was left far behind. Okay? Now let's move to the next question. That is question number B. Answer these questions. Number 1. What did the 4 friends get to make the boat? Children, you will write the answers in these blank spaces. Okay? So number A, the chick got. So what did the chick get? The chick got a leaf. So write down a leaf in this blank space. Number B, the mouse got. So what did the mouse get? The mouse got half a walnut shell. So write down in this blank half a walnut shell. Number C, the ant got. So what did the ant get? The ant got a straw. So in this blank, write down a straw. Number D, the ladybird got. So children, what did the ladybird get? The ladybird got a long piece of black thread. Okay? Now take out page number 7 and see question number A. Fill in the blanks to complete these sets of opposites. Children, some opposite words are given here and you have to fill up these blank spaces to complete these sets of opposite words. So, the first one is D-Y. So, the word will be D-A-Y, day. And the opposite word of day is night. So, here will be N-I-G-H-T, night. Next one is C-O-E-D. So the answer will be C-L-O-S-E-D, closed. And the opposite word of closed is open. So write here O-P-E-N, open. Next one is H-dash. So the answer will be H-O-T, hot. And the opposite word of hot is cold. C-O-L-D, cold. And the last one is O-dash. So the answer will be O-L-D, old. And the opposite word of old is young. Y-O-U-N-G, young. Now see children, this is Madhav, a fruit seller. And this is his fruit cart. He sells various types of fruits like mango, apple, banana. Okay? Now take out page number 8 and see question number B. Unscramble these letters to name some of the fruits he sells. Children, name of some fruits are given here. You have to unscramble these letters to name some of the fruits that Madhav sells. Okay? So the first one is B-N-A-N-A-A. So it will be banana. B-A-N-A-N-A. Then the next one is A-L-P-P-E. And it will be A-P-P-L-E. Apple. Next one is P-R-A-E-G. So it will be G-R-A-P-E. Grape. Next one is O-N-G-R-A-E. So it will be O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. Next one is Y-A-A-A-P-P. So it will be P-A-P-A-Y-A. Papaya. And the last one is O-G-A-M-N. It will be M-A-N-G-O. Mango. Clear, children? Now let's move to the next topic. Raju drinks milk. Raju drinks milk. Before doing the next exercise, children, can you tell me what is the difference between these two sentences? So, in the first sentence, R is in small letter and full stop is also not there at the end of this sentence. But in this sentence, R is in capital letter and full stop is also there at the end of this sentence. Children, we should start a sentence with a capital letter and end with a full stop. But if there is a name of a person or name of a place in between the sentence or at the end, then that name should start with a capital letter. So, on the basis of that, we can say that this is a correct sentence because it is the correct way of writing a sentence and this one is wrong. Okay? Now, let's do the book exercise. Question number C. Rewrite these sentences correctly. Start with a capital letter and put a full stop at the end. Here, you have to rewrite these sentences by starting with a capital letter and putting a full stop at the end. So, number 1 is Meera and John are friends. Children, Meera and John are two persons. So, both words should start with a capital letter and the sentence should end with a full stop. Okay? So, it will be Meera and John are friends. Similarly, number 2, the cat ran after the mouse. It will be the cat ran after the mouse. Next one is the flowers smell nice. It will be the flowers smell nice. Next one is India is a big country. It will be India is a big country. And the last one is I love to draw and paint. it will be I love to draw and paint. Now let's move to the next page, page number 9. Now look at these pictures. The bird is on the box. Children, on means upar. See children, this bird is touching the box. That's why here will be on. Now see children, this bird is above the box. Children, above also means upar. But see children, here the bird is not touching the box. That's why here will be above. Children, the bird is in the box. So, here you can see that the bird is sleeping inside the box. So, we should use in to describe the position of a thing which is there inside other thing. And the last one is the bird is under the box. Under means niche. So children, where is the bird? The bird is under the box. That means bird box के नीचे है. Okay? Now let's do the book exercise. Question number A. Choose the correct answers. Here you have to give tick mark on the correct option. Okay? So number 1 is the books are in or on the table. Children, it will be the, not he. Okay? So here the correct option will be on. Okay, that means the books are on the table. So give a tick mark on this. Next one is the ball is under or above the chair. Children, here will be ball. According to the picture, here will be ball, not cat. Okay. So the correct option will be under. So put a tick mark on under. That means the ball is under the chair. Next one is the bee is above or under the flower. Children, here will be is. Okay. So write down is here. Okay. In this way. So the correct option will be above. The bee is above the flower. And the last one is the apple is in or on the basket. Children, here the correct option will be in. So put a tick mark on in. That means the apple is in the basket. Okay. Now let's move to the next page. Page number 10. And see question number B. Now name these actions. Make sure to use the ing forms of the words. So here you can see these children are doing something. So we have already learned earlier that action words are also known as verbs, which tell us what people, animals or things do. So in this exercise you have to write the name of the action words by adding ing with them. Okay. So in the first picture the boy is sleeping. So write the spelling sleeping, S-L-E-E-P-I-N-G, sleeping in this blank space. Okay. In the next picture, the girl is drinking water. So, write the spelling D-R-I-N-K-I-N-G, drinking in this blank space. In the third picture, the girl is reading. So, write the spelling R-E-A-D-I-N-G, reading, in this blank space. In the fourth picture, the girl is writing. So write the spelling W-R-I-T-I-N-G, writing, in this blank space. In the next picture, two kids are playing football. So write the spelling P-L-A-Y-I-N-G, playing, in this blank space. And in the last picture, the girl is walking. So write the spelling W-A-L-K-I-N-G, walking, in this blank space. So this much for today. Thank you.